Alright guys, hopefully you can see what I'm doing here. We got our DF02, our gravel hound out today. The name of the game is to just a quick shakedown. It is pissing, pouring, raining. So it's going to be, we'll be doing some bench time later today. We're going to be selling a couple rigs. Just spit it in the grass. Do you see that? These tires have nothing on them anymore. Hopefully I'm catching this. Quarter throttle. I gotta stay out of the grass. This is we just upgraded to the winter's evening bearings. Barely makes any noise. Pretty cool. Not really not looking for speed or nothing. We're gonna we got about 3 or 4 cars that need some good speed runs. This in the end, this is gonna be a track car to run against Lauren's DF03, so we can run together, or maybe the TT02B. Either way, it doesn't really matter much. It's more about fun. This is a track car. I got the DF03 tires on it, you can see there. We're running with the URGENEX 2S and just a 60 amp ESC. I'm not hankering on the throttle. Don't make no sense with this wet. But hopefully you guys dig what I'm doing. Had to get it out for a run. We'll give a quick pump. Whoa! It's got lots of power, so there's no battery mounts on it, so I've just got it electrical taped in too, so that's but everything else is zip tied in. It shouldn't go anywhere. Now we've again, this is the X Team 5400 RPM 3650 with one of the AliExpress specials, the Razzes. And what else is on this? Of course, our bearings, and this is nothing like what it was when we had bushings in it. It's so smooth, but everything else is the same. We're gotta decide on a body. Might put the plasma edge on it for now, but that's another thing that it doesn't have body mounts. So if I gotta buy body mounts, that's another cost I'm trying not to have. So I do have to get the parts tree, because it needs, again, the uprights for the body mounts. Man, it's got so much juice. I'm barely touching it, guys. I'm looking at the carbon chassis, man. It's starting to pour. I might call it a day. I was looking at the carbon chassis, thinking about an upgrade, but this chassis is fine. I'm not really looking to spend money just for the sake of spending money. So we'll see how it runs on the track. Maybe we'll put the TT02B tires on it, the green ones, for now to get it on the track. Oh, it's pouring. Well, hopefully you guys dig. Hopefully you like and subscribe. And man, she hauls. Malcolm, man, she's nice. Real nice. I dig. So make sure you check out Winter's Evening's bearings. I think Josie just got a set too. It's awesome. They really are. They're cheapest in town, and it's American, Alaska. I've got ceramics in our DF03, which is our main rig when I go to the track, the local track, if I ever go back there again. Kind of, whatever. I got my old. But this is pretty much all my runners all have, at the very least, the rubber sealed. That's what these are. And I do have ceramics in our DF03. Probably going to get ceramics for our LC12. But that's because that's my favorite car and it deserves it. And it's already got rubber sealed factory bearings, so there wouldn't be an upgrade to those standards. So anyways, like and subscribe, guys. I'll see you when I see you. You guys have a wonderful day. God bless. I'll see you on the flip side. Peace.